Okay, in this question, we're going to learn how to ask, where do you live in Irish? So, cá bhfuil tú i do chónaí? That means, where do you live? Where are you in your chónaí? Where are you living? And the answer, tá mé in mo chónaí, I am in mo chónaí, I am living. And then you choose what type of house you live in, and then you can say where you live. So, in Maile Átha Cliath means in Dublin. So, the first one is a bungalow. So, you can say tá mé in mo chónaí in bungalow. That's a bungalow. The second picture is a jock gá store. So, that's a house that's 2 stories. Gá store, 2 stories. So, tá mé in mo chónaí I jock gá store. Then the third picture, tá column in a chónaí I jock scuiche. So that's a detached house, a jock scuiche. Then there's a jock la scuiche in the fourth picture. So a semi-detached house, jock la scuiche. And then finally in Orasan. So you can say tá mé in mo chónaí in Orasan. I live in an apartment. So ask that question, cá bhfuil tú i do chónaí, and then you say tá mé in mo chónaí in bungalow, in a bungalow, in Maile Átha Cliath in Dublin.